Unlocking the mysteries of blower maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first but is very useful in certain contexts: blower maintenance. Whether you're a language learner, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore what blower maintenance really entails. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: blower and maintenance. A blower is a machine or tool that moves air. It can be something as simple as a small device for keeping your computer keyboard clean, or as complex as a piece of industrial equipment used for moving large volumes of air, like those found in HVAC systems or car engines. Maintenance, on the other hand, refers to the process of keeping something in good condition through regular checkups, repairs, and cleaning. So, when we combine these two terms, blower maintenance involves the activities required to keep a blower working efficiently and extend its lifespan. Now that we understand what blower maintenance means, let's talk about why it's important. Regular maintenance of a blower can prevent breakdowns, improve performance, and save money on potential repairs down the line. For industries that rely heavily on blowers, like manufacturing, agriculture, or heating and cooling, proper maintenance is crucial for uninterrupted operation. Maintaining a blower involves several key steps, which can vary depending on the type of blower and its use. However, some common maintenance tasks include cleaning, removing dust, debris, and other particles from the blower and its components to ensure smooth operation. Inspection, checking for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, leaks, or any other damage that might affect the blower's performance. Lubrication, applying lubricant to moving parts to reduce friction and prevent overheating. Replacement, changing out worn or damaged parts before they cause a breakdown. For those who are responsible for or interested in performing blower maintenance, here are a few tips to ensure effectiveness. 1. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Always refer to the maintenance instructions provided by the blower's manufacturer. 2. Schedule regular maintenance. Don't wait for a problem to arise. Regular checkups can help catch issues early. 3. Use the right tools. Ensure you have the appropriate tools and equipment for the maintenance tasks at hand. 4. Safety first. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear and following proper safety procedures. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and processes of blower maintenance. Remember, regular maintenance not only keeps your blower running smoothly but also ensures it serves you well for years to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos on English language learning and much more. Take care, and see you in the next video.